Piggy scratch art paper. So this is a 60 pack of magic rainbow scratch paper. So this will have a black layer with a rainbow coloring underneath the black layer that you will scratch with the included stylos. This will also come with stencils, so you can do it free-handed like you can see here to reveal the underlying colors, or go through it with the stencil. It's a no mess, non-toxic, 100% safe way to get some color. Really fun, creative thing to do. Great activity for with the kids at home, and to just be a little bit more creative. Could be a fun birthday gift as well, or activity to plan. Even fun as an adult. For me, I was super enjoying this, just doing some doodles. Definitely check it out.